Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We are not the same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host, P5, aka P equals MC squared. It will never get old. And today, this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. What I gotta talk about. Guys, it's been a while since I've done a whatever the fuck I want to talk about. What I gotta talk about. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick whatever the fuck I want to talk about. You might have seen I've done a lot of jackets lately, a lot of this, and I've not really done a whatever I want to talk about. So I'm getting back to making sure. I know a lot of you don't really watch it, but it's part of catharsis, I guess, for me. So I'm always gonna do them. So I'm getting back to doing them. So yeah, just on today's, I just want to talk about. I guess what I spoke about, just in the midst of doing things, you come against certain barriers and you come against certain obstacles, and they may be external obstacles or they could be internal obstacles. And I guess everyone has their coping mechanisms, and some people's coping mechanisms is to fold up and curl up into a ball and just sort of pray that it all goes away, the obstacles. And some people is to run into the obstacles head first. Some people like to jump over or do a little dance around the obstacles. We all have our coping mechanisms, and I say this just to say that for myself, I was doing a lot of filming outside, and that was dope. And then all of a sudden the weather sort of changed, and then I had to come back in. But I was so used to being outside that I didn't really want to film inside. It's kind of like, oh, I got to film inside and set up the camera and set up the lights, But that's what I was doing before, So the fact that it was kind of now like, oh, I don't want to do that. It's kind of like a bit, I guess I got spoilt by the sunshine and being outside and doing multiple filmings outside. So if you see a lot of my videos of the last year, obviously they've been outside, but I haven't really done any inside videos, hence no stuff, hence no whatever the fuck I want to talk about, hence the not doing subscriber shoutouts every 50, so little things like that. What got you to somewhere, you should always keep doing. Now again, my work rate didn't slow down, but I guess maybe it did slow down. So I'm saying this to say, sometimes you hit obstacles. These obstacles that I'm talking about were of my own making, because if it rains, you come inside and do what you was doing exactly before. If it's sunny, it doesn't matter whether it's sunny. There's still bits you need to do inside. You do them inside. So I guess really I'm sort of saying two things. Meet your obstacles head on. Don't sort of run away from them. Don't try and hide from them and sort of ostracize them. Ostracize as in put your head in the sand, not ostracize, ostrich eyes. I've made it up, but yeah, thank me later. Don't put your head in the sand and sort of put your ass in the air and wiggle your tail. I know, a bit too much maybe, but whatever, you get the picture. Maybe not a pretty picture, but you get it. Just sort of head towards the obstacle, and by the time you get there, as long as you're thinking about how to overcome that obstacle, you will, by the time you get there, you'll either sidestep, do a fancy little dance, a little pirouette over it, or maybe you'll just run through it like a bull in a china shop. Whatever your method is your method, but whatever you do, don't ostracize it. Again, copyrighted by me, Phoenix the Fireboy. Ostracize. And the second part of that is, if something got you somewhere, continue to do those things. So the little things, all the little things that you were doing before that helped you reach a place, don't forget to do those just because you're getting to a place, and again, speaking from my point of view, the little things, filming multiple videos at a time and so on and so forth, making sure I had content to give to you guys. I sort of slipped down on doing that, just because, started a new role and so on and so forth. But again, no excuses. It's just about managing your time. Things will come in life where you now have to sort of rearrange and recalibrate. Recalibrate. See my brain working there. Collaborate? No, recalibrate. And when those times come, just be ready for them and make sure that you do them with aplomb and sort of think about it and then action it. And that's basically all this is. It's just for me to say that, yes, I sort of stopped doing a few things that got me to having such a big output of content. I realized that, and again, there was a reason, but I've realised that, and now I'm back on that, and I'm going to make sure that that doesn't happen again. But there's also the secondary part of the obstacles, and you know, again, whether they was made up in my head because the weather was nice and I didn't want to film indoors. You have to overcome them at some point, and I'm at that point where now I've overcome that obstacle. I'm sitting right here in front of you and I'm filming this. And also the secondary part where I've done so much filming in the last few days, and I'm about to go film some more outside, that yeah, I'm back, man. I'm just going to be hitting you guys with the content, and yeah, making this channel even bigger and better. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to send my love to you lot, and let you know I'm always thinking about, you know, our interaction, and you know, sort of the content that I want to give to you, and how you guys receive it. And yeah, I just want to say thank you as always, man. You guys are amazing, and yeah, I appreciate you, and yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for your viewership, thank you for your love. And guys, yeah, if you ever want to hit me up because you know you're feeling down, or you want some advice, or you know, if I can, I will. I'm not the type just to offer advice because you know I think I know it all. If I can add value to your problem, then yeah, I'm down. But guys, stay dope, stay fly. It's been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, and yeah, I've been your host P5, aka P is for profit, and you guys have been beautiful as always. This has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. And guys, stay dope, stay fly. Leave your comments down below. Please like, comment and share, and yeah, as always, be dope and stay cool, Eddie.